फिर फिंचर आया लाइफ में हमारी, फाइट क्लब और सेवन उस टाइम पे देख के लोग, मतलब मैं तो शॉक में था कि यार Seven is one of the most beautiful films in the sense the way he's gone about it. It's the best reference point for a serial killer film. I mean, even today, what's in the box?
Oh, what's in the box? What's in the box?
As an actor, that's a very tough thing to pull off. And what Brad Pitt did, it's a very underrated performance because वो बेचारा इतना good-looking आदमी है that sometimes his work gets undermined slightly.
This is something we also say a lot.
यार क्या actor है, जबरदस्त performer है यार. Comedy की timing है. सब कुछ करता है, but Seven he was, I felt Morgan Freeman and he have a great relationship.
The film has one of the few handheld shots when he's walking towards the
box. Yeah. And John Doe, जो पूरी and the full all the seven sins, the way he goes through them, the way he used the city, the sound. वो जो घर पे रह रहे, Gwyneth Paltrow's frustrated, you know, the train sounds are there. जो मौसम है पिक्चर का, बारिश हो रही है randomly. The locations, the way each killing eventually, see, you can take for granted audience को interest नहीं होगा, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं, but each of the sins,
yes.
there is an approach to talking about it, using it as a reference point, understanding it. Something is through research, something is in conversation, and a beautifully crafted film. I mean, Fight Club is obviously the shock value film.
Shock value तो is
बाद में पता
a
लगता है
bit
ना?
of it, like yeah.
नहीं, बाद में पता लगता है तो आप you forget the craft and all and you're like, अरे ये किया था पिक्चर में.
Yeah.
But it's a very hard film, na, because there's a lot of intensity and a lot of banter.
Testicular cancer should be no contest, I think.
Well, technically, I have more of a right to be there than you. You still have your balls.
You're kidding.
Seven is a little more nuanced, and I think Seven is more invisible craft.
Very nicely put. Yeah.
Fight Club is tremendous amount of craft to make sure that you enjoy the visceral nature of the film.
And Seven came first, then Fight Club. Fight Club तो शायद 1999 की है.
Yeah, I think Seven 1995 की थी, because उसके पहले उसने Alien बनाई थी जो बिल्कुल उसके झगड़े हो गए थे उस टाइम पे. फिर उसके बाद उसने फाइट क्लब के बाद पैनिक रूम बनाई थी शायद, मुझे याद नहीं. फिर जोडियाक बनाई, फिर से सीरियल किलर का इंटरप्रिटेशन उसने अलग तरीके से पकड़ा, और तभी रॉबर्ट डाउनी और जेक जिलेनॉल के साथ पिक्चर बनाई. रॉबर्ट डाउनी वाज नॉट अ स्टार दैट टाइम. सैन फ्रांसिस्को जिस तरह शूट किया उसने वो पिक्चर में 70s का, जबरदस्त.